Ah, you hurt your back? Oh, wow. Wow, just slowly. Sergio!
Take this, leave it.
I mean, wow. Give me a hand. Slowly. So just come lie down, stay there. Just take the phone off it. Yeah. Okay. Can you take them off? Take them off everything. No, don't put it in the pocket. Try in there because you have a bit more. Just take the phone out from the pocket. Do them. Just face down there.
Yes.
Face down, yeah. Stay there. What happened?
I was left in the manhole lid and
Oh,
just
wow. Hold there. The lower back, yeah? Yeah. That's the one. That's it. Wow. Loose. There you go. Wow. Lift them up, please. I'll fix that. Good. Wow. Lift them up. Wow. Turn on your side, can you? I'll give you a hand now. Just lie on your side, yeah. That's it.
crazy.
Two down here. Yeah. That's it. Stay there. There you go. Stay there. Hold it. There. That's it. That's the one. The other side, please. That's it. Ah, yes. Perfect. Hold it. There you go. That's perfect. On your back, please. There you go. Wow. Yeah. Keep your hands together. Grab my hands like this. Put your feet down. That's it. That's the one. Hold it. Wow. That's it. I know. That's it. Wow. That's it. Wow. The only way. Okay. That's the only way to release this. What you do? Don't bite it through there. Close. Oh, yes.
Fuck.
Wow. Wow. Stay there. There you go. I'll do one more stretch. I will help you to sit up here. Oh, yes, stay where you are. Stay. Open your finger. Oh. Hold yourself. Fall back. Oh, yes. Wow. Oh, man. You went through. Don't worry. You can walk around now, no problem. Wow. Don't worry. Just do your feet around here. Oh, yes.
Oh, no, please.
No, we finish. Okay? Stay there. We finish. Just take a rest now. I just want you to get much comfortable. Oh, yeah. That's it. You try to stand up. Stay there. Wow. You need to rest now, man. Just go home, no chance to go work like this now. Do me a favor, scoop in the back, please. Scoop in the back, come back. Scoop. Okay, that's right. Cross fingers, back of your head. Together, cross them. Keep it there. Elbow close, fall back. That's the one. Wow. That's the best I can do for you today. Give me that. I know it's sore because you hit him in the back. That's the nerve was pinching and hitting in your lower back now. Stand up, walk around. Yes. Walk. We done the best, we done the best. Still working. Happy days at least. Nah. Slowly, slowly. Slowly. You get better at least, you know. It's getting better, it's getting better. Do next week one more session, yeah? Do one more. See you.